In France, cooking and good food always bring a smile. Everyone knows how much we love red wine and how much it colors the teeth. But today, we are cooking this new teeth whitening product, Smileo. And let's see what we have in the Smileo box. Interesting. 3 whitening gel. Instruction guide. A shade guide, where you can see all the stage of the teeth whitening. And what do we have? An ultraviolet lamp and a mouthpiece. Oh, interesting. So this is ultraviolet. So you put the mouthpiece on the ultraviolet lamp just like this. We'll take one of those gel and basically opening the cork just like this and apply slowly on the surface of the ultraviolet lamp on both parts, you see, on both parts, just like this. Perfect. Put it back. You see? It's easy as French cooking. Now everything is ready and 10 minutes is enough. That was fast, and my apple cake is beginning to be ready. And now, I can continue with a good wine. Bon appétit!